Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this John Varvatos model, V515. The color of the frame is Tortoise gray. This is the temples of the frame. We have a silver John Varvatos logo in silver, and as well as the temple tip. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a blue mirror color. And at the top left lens, we have a John Varvatos logo. The style of the frame is full rim square. And this frame is RXable. Up here we have a John Varvatos case to put your glasses in and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.